Take a moment to check out the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.